Hi, this is John from Bloomington. Just wanted to leave a video review for Michael Kreider and Aquarius. I have been having some issues with my heating system in my home with my Nest thermostat. Temp dropping quite a bit. Couldn't figure it out. Knew I had to do something, so I reached out to Aquarius and they set me up with Michael Kreider, who I was very fortunate to have. Quite the professional. Gave me a phone call telling me he'd be 30 minutes out, and right on time he showed up with all his gear, a mask on for safety, and threw on some shoe coverings, which was unexpected but sincerely appreciated, so we wouldn't soil up my carpets. So I have now a good temperature set on my system at 70 degrees. And Michael was very patient in explaining how things should run and work, and I couldn't be happier with his recommendations and most certainly his services. Very knowledgeable, so I do appreciate him for all of that. And I will show you my big unit, as it is very difficult to understand at times, but Michael, being the professional he is, did a fantastic job, and I would highly recommend Michael Kreider and Aquarius for your home services. So wait no longer, make the call. You'll be glad you did. Thank you, Michael. Thank you, Aquarius. I will certainly look you up again if I need you.